Hi and welcome to Shovs's classes. You can WhatsApp or call us at the number given on the screen for any doubts, queries, or for full videos on our courses. Let us see the question that we have in hand. Consider standard Solow model in discrete time with the law of motion of capital is given by k t plus 1 equals to 1 minus delta kt plus it, where it is investment at time t and kt is the capital stock at time t. Also, we are given del belongs to 0 and 1. Suppose output yt is augmented by government spending gt in every period and that the economy is closed. Thus yt equals to ct plus it plus gt. Notice the trade term is absent since it's a closed model, where ct is consumption at time t. Now imagine that the government spending is given by gt equals to sigma yt, where sigma belongs to 0 and 1. Now we need to figure out the following questions. Let us see how to do the first one. In this model, the law of motion of capital can be given as k t plus 1 which equals to 1 minus delta into kt plus it. Now, using the following two relation, we can rewrite the law of motion of capital as k t plus 1 equals 1 minus delta kt plus yt minus ct minus gt. Now we'll simplify this. I'll do this beforehand so that it becomes easier and faster for you to see. 1 minus delta kt plus 1 minus phi minus 1 minus lambda sigma f kt will be our final option. Now, in steady state, k star is equals to k t plus 1, which is equals to kt. Therefore, k star satisfy. Thus, we know that k star satisfy the steady state conditions of k star kt plus 1, which is equals to kt. Therefore, to find the effect of we have the value of k star. Now, the following is assumed and we have to find the effect of higher sigma on k star. So we have differentiated the above expression with respect to sigma, assuming the following that I've already mentioned in the brackets. And with this, we have the answer to the first part of the question. Let's see what the second part suggests. Does a higher sigma lead to a lower value of the capital stock in every period? That is along the entire transition path. Let us see how to do this. Let sigma star or sigma dash greater than sigma. For the sigma, the law of motion of capital is k t plus 1 equals to 1 minus of delta kt plus 1 minus of phi minus of 1 minus lambda sigma. Therefore, f k t. And for sigma dash, the law of motion of capital is k dash t plus 1, which is equals to 1 minus of delta k dash t plus 1 minus phi minus 1 minus lambda sigma with f k dash t. Now starting from k0, which is equals to k dash 0, we need to show that kt is greater than k dash t for all values of t greater than equals to 1. Hence, we have proved that for k1 is greater than k dash 1, and following the induction process you can prove this sum very easily, and hence we can say yes, a higher sigma leads to a lower value. With this, we come to an end of another great video. Please like, subscribe and click on the notification icon. You can WhatsApp or call us for our full videos. Stay tuned as we'll be solving more such amazing questions.